It's a beautiful morning for a walk. Join me. Come on, little popper. It's -5 this morning. It's gorgeous out. My hands are a little chilly. Yep. Need warmer gloves. Just go for a walk. You'll feel better. Walking out in nature is so good for your soul, for renewing your energy, for your kidneys. It's the #1 thing I recommend whenever people are coming up with kidney deficiency. Oh, and there's a moose. Let's see if I can flip this. I don't know if you can see him. You see him? You see my moose friend? He's just right there. I don't know if he's gonna let me get closer. Hello, beauty. There he goes. Morning walks are magical, and sometimes you even see a moose. Now that's a pretty good morning walk. Yes! All this beauty and huge animals. Absolutely stunning. Just do it. Get outside. Go for a walk.